All right, well, I'll first start by saying dealing with a ceiling fan by yourself is harder than it sounds. Oh my God, my arms are killing me. Okay, so I just installed the Ostrich remote control for ceiling fan, Wi-Fi enabled, and got it working on a... It's not perfect, but if I want perfect, I guess I have to go get an Alexa enabled fan. But it works. Computer. Ceiling light on. Ah, there it is. All right. Ceiling light is on. Computer. Ceiling light off. Now those are not smart bulbs. That's not a smart switch. Not a smart switch. That's just remote control system, Wi-Fi enabled. I need to get some double-sided tape and stick it to the ceiling. Unfortunately, this is an older ceiling fan and the base is too small to fit the module in. And there was no room up in the box. So instead of taking out the box, shoving that thing in the ceiling, I decided to mount it outside and I'll just stick it to the ceiling. I might paint it white. Don't know yet. But that's it. The Ostrich brand Wi-Fi enabled remote for ceiling fans. Where this is a pull chain for the fan speed. I can't control the fan speed, but that's okay. The wife wants the fan on all the time anyway. But if I put in a smart switch to control the lights, then the fan would go off. So this is the best solution. And it's pretty cheap, actually. But yeah, other than working alone on this thing, it wasn't that bad to put in. I just wish I had an extra set of hands. All right, that's it. It works. Computer. Ceiling light on. A little bit of a delay, but that's all right. All right, there we go.